Please, for your husband, Akuna. Please try harder.
Only though you can do better, please. Push! Yes, my child. Please try. Oh, the baby will get tired of struggling to come out and might end up dying inside you. Become one.
Yes. I can see the baby's head. Push her there. Push it there. Anna, please, push. Push.
Mama, I can't wait!
I could not wait for me. I cannot keep up with you people's face. I could not. Hey, I cannot keep up. It's a problem. I could not. I will follow.
How is she?
She lost the baby. The baby didn't survive.
And my wife?
Myself in grief.
What is happening? Huh? No. What about your child? My grandchild? Huh? All one. What about all? Huh? She's okay. Anna!
I want to see my child. Where's my child?
No. The one. Oh, Jishike. Gal. So sorry. Okay. Let me go and boil hot water so that I can press your tummy, oh? And prepare something for you to eat. Biko, ebene. If you cry, I will break down. Please, hold yourself, be strong.
It's all right. It's all right. The gods know best.
I heard my baby cry. I swear I heard the baby cry. I heard it. I heard my baby cry. I heard the baby cry. I heard the baby. I heard it.
No condition is permanent. No condition is permanent. On him, away from America, because Balaram, I want to serve a jogi, because Balaram. Oh, this world is not our own. What are we fighting for? This world is not our own. What are we fighting for? This world is not our own. What are we fighting for? And you never see my king and you know. And you never see my king
Chineke go when you ojo. Bia watakiri shira udi awa watakiri kini be ya. What is wrong with you? You are just behaving like a lizard. Huh?
My stomach is...
Stomach? Why would your stomach pain you? When you eat and eat and eat? What is wrong with you, Ibo Banje? Come Imo Banje. Imo the children. When you have a child, the man will carry his own child. Yo. But in your own case, it's just dead babies. Obanje wala mo to obanje. Huh? What is wrong with you? Okay. I'm telling you the truth. What is wrong with you, Ogene? Hey!
I heard the baby cry. He's crying. I heard him.
My love, you need to accept the fact.
I have made you a laughing stock. Four years of marriage. Not one child to show for.
I will be patient. I will be patient until the gods decide to give us our own.
You're so good to me.
I will always stand by you. You're my everything. Without you, I am incomplete. I love you unconditionally. My love. Now come. Let's go in before you catch cold. Hmm?
Life is so tough. My mother-in-law is
a pain in the neck. Ola, I've told you to stop worrying yourself over nothing. Everything will be fine, okay? Hey, Ola, hope you're still taking the herbs my mother prepared for you. Yeah. Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay? And your mother-in-law, she will change. Oh, I feel your pain, okay? You don't need to thank me.
That's why you're my best friend.
You're too beautiful to be sad. Stop being sad, okay? Don't worry, let me finish roasting the corn for you so that you'll be happy.
Mama, welcome.
What are you doing in the kitchen? Huh?
Let me help you with
What are you doing in the kitchen? Where is your wife?
She's sleeping.
Sleeping. By this time of the day. Sleeping.
Yes, well, she's down with her monthly flow.
Is it not every woman that has monthly flu? Even how is that an issue?
No, Mama, it's not an issue at all. You see, we did not sleep at all last night because of the cramps.
Cramps or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your brother?
He's in the farm. I will join him once I settle all they do.
Go, 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 go. Lord will not man. And another these days. Have here, leave it. Go. Awanje madukego imuta mwode. What is she doing? Barren woman. Eh? Look at you. When you're vomiting, people will think that there is baby in that tunnel. Nothing. Empty land. Eh? Empty land. Eh? Look at her. Look at you. Barren. Empty. Eh? One would have thought that there's something there. Is it not better for you to go and have a dead child like usually? Dead baby.
Mama, please, the day is still.
Which day is too young? Eh? So you have mouth to talk. Leave my son alone. You know that? Have ya? Why do
you hate me so much?
Hate? Hate is an understatement. I detest you, Matakria. Leave my son alone. Let him go and marry another wife. Biko.
That is what you really want?
Yes, that's what I really want. You want to go?
For I come to marry another.
Yes, yes, because how follow me? Actually, Barry.
Mama, leave me alone.
No, because you're looking
Mama, what did you do to her now?
You go on Boko. Or to call the power, or to call the goal.
I feel so sorry for that young woman.
Who wouldn't? But we can't help it.
Obiageli.
She will get over it.
Hola.
Okoriba, send the girl to your back.
Yeah, I'm glad someone missed me in this house. Well done.
I need help with this.
Oh,
I want to
okay.
make food for your brother who likes to eat them.
Alright. Let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ma.
What are you? Stop! What are you doing?
I'm helping Oloy to pieces the fire.
Drop it. Drop it, sister. Look at that girl. Very lazy girl. That cannot even be also any child. Let her pieces the firewood herself.
Mama,
I said stop! Drop it! Drop it. Let her pieces it. Guma, lazy girl. Ngwa, pick it. Go and take it from him. Or can I kill him? I said stop. Lazy girl. Pick it. May God.
what is going on here?
Nothing.
Welcome.
Thank you. What are you doing with the ask?
I want to make your food.
So?
There's no firewood.
Okoro, what are you waiting for? I wanted to help Mama Kemi.
I said shut up.
Mama Kemi, I was shot. I shouldn't help her. Don't worry. My lord, come. How have you been?
Akuna, you have to marry another wife to wipe off the shame this old lady brought to this family.
What shame, Mama?
You're asking me? Eh? You have been married for 7 years. Mbawe, sir. Nothing to show for it.
Wrong. My wife and I have been married for 4 years, and I am not complaining.
You have to prove that you are a man. You just have to prove it.
Mama.
See the compound, no child.
Mama, I don't need to prove anything to nobody. Neither does my wife. The gods will visit us at the appointed time.
Yes, so I agree with you, but only with the right maiden. Oh, you go I don't understand what she is. I found you a wife.
I think you should listen to your mother.
What? Have you taken leave of your senses?
For peace to reign, I want you to.
Ola, I love you unconditionally. And I have eyes for no other woman. If the gods say we do not deserve a child, then so be it.
You are my source of strength. I thank the gods for giving me a man like you.
We have been friends for a long time. Please, my dear, at dusk, I'm going to come to your house and collect the girl. Once my son sleeps with her, there's no going back. You take that wife.
Are you sure this is going to work?
Hey, follow me here. Like I told you before. Leave it for me. I'll deal with the rest. It will work. Bikono. Eh?
What about his wife, Oledo?
Oledo. Leave that one. Leave that one for me. I'll deal with that one. I'll deal with her. The only thing I want you to do for me is to tell Omonna that we're coming to knock on the door very, very soon. Oh?
Okay, no problem.
No. Come, I be Mjibo.
Don't worry. Next time,
Ashi.
Next time.
I wish I can find a girl in this village that will cook like she's the best wife you ever have. You know, Akuna, it's quite amazing. I mean, in spite of all the mishappenings and misfortunes, you're still content. You still love Aloido. I think this your love is, it's amazing.
Yes, it is intoxicating. Everything seems small compared to it. I love Oledo unconditionally, with or without child.
It's glaring. I mean, we all know that. You see? This is the kind of love I would want to have. Of course. But I will stay away. Stay far away from home state. Yes, no. But I wouldn't want Mama coming to my treat and talk to my wife anyhow.
Has Mama been maltreating Oledo?
We need to hurry up. I have a lot of work to do today before night falls. We still have a long way to cover.
Mama.
Oh, come.
You called me.
Yes. Oledo.
Mama.
Carry this maize and ube to my sister at Onunkwa village. Give it to her personally. Don't give it to any other person. Make sure you give her. You know him now.
now?
Now, Now.
Mama, it's almost dusk.
So?
Akum will soon be back. I was even about to start making his food.
I will tell Akunna that I sent you on an errand. Oh, and I will make his food.
I cannot go tomorrow.
Tomorrow again? Hurry now. Yes, Mama. Hurry. The next thing you will say that night caught up with you.
Good evening, Mama. Mama, why are you preparing supper by this time? And where is my wife?
Your wife. As soon as you left this house, your wife took off. I don't know where she went to. Before and after, she was off. I'm not the keeper of your wife. Oh. Go and find your wife where you kept her.
Let me go and check for her at Obiageli's place.
If you like.
No, I have not seen her today.
Okay, thank you.
But how can a married woman stay out this late?
She will tell me. Good night.
Let me walk you out.
No, it's late already. Thank you very much.
Go inside my hut and wait in there until I call you.
But why should I sneak in like a thief to come and see my husband? I thought you said he's
Go in there and water clear. Wait there. Don't come out. Don't come out. Yeah. What are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here?
I live here.
You live here. But I told you to go to my sister and give her these fruits.
I did. She was not home.
Why didn't you wait?
I couldn't have.
Why?
I was told they went to their farm settlement.
Gini Mezia.
I'm sorry I was not home to welcome you.
Where are you coming from?
I went to the neighboring kingdom to see Mama's sister. You didn't tell him?
I forgot.
You forgot?
I forgot.
When did you leave?
When the sun came down. Come. Is it time, Mama? Can I go in?
Time for what? To go in where? Look, my son is not in a good mood.
So what's the next?
The next thing to do is that you're going home.
Mama, this night. Mama, it's too late. Mama, no, I cannot take this risk now.
I am going to see you off and you're going to your mother's house now.
Mama, what about my husband to be?
Which husband to be?
He should be the one to take me.
Where did you go last night? Your husband was looking for you all over the place.
My mother-in-law sent me on an errand.
Ola, you mean your mother-in-law knew where you went to last night? And she could not tell Akuna to save him the stress?
Well, let's just say her hatred for me increases by the day.
Oh, Bakodi. Anyway, she's very, very lucky she has a daughter-in-law like you, I must say.
I just wish she would stop picking on me.
Already. Because one more time, it won't happen again. Because look at me now. You're my best friend. Who am I going to go to now? Already, because give her to me.
Mbogo, my daughter is not the one you use like a puppy. No, leave her alone, let her be.
It won't happen again now. Who will I tell? Who will I talk to? When you keep talking now, please. It will happen again. This is the last time. If it happens again, don't talk to me again. No?
It's just because of you.
Thank you.
So bad, I will do
this for you. Oledo. I'm talking to you. Come.
Mama,
hold your ear. Huh? I say you should hold your ear. Hold it very well. See, this night, you are going to sleep in my hut. Do you hear me?
Why?
Why? Because you want to do the right thing. The other day, you spoiled my plans. The day I told you to go and give my sister maize and ube, that you should stay there, you should have stayed there. I brought a wife, you foolishly came back. So this night, Ogab, she's coming back. You will leave your husband's side so that a woman that can bear fruit will sleep beside your husband and bear me children. Do you hear me? You sleep in my hut. Am I understood? Am I understood? What are clear?
Yes.
You say you want to do the right thing. You got half a day. Go and finish one. And once you finish cooking, go and serve your husband. You don't come out from my hut. You got no bang. Go.
Are you not coming to bed?
I will. I just want to take my bath.
You should have joined me when I was having mine. Okay. I'll keep you company.
No. Go and sleep. I'll take my bath and I'll join you.
Mama, are you not going to bed?
To bed? No, I'm taking breeze.
Okay.
Inside the hut is very hot.
Okay, Mama. I'll be waiting.
Come. You are learning very fast. You are learning fast. Why are you studying? Go.
How dare you? How dare you?
Stop.
Whose plan was this? Whose plan was this? Whose plan was this, Mama? And you? Why were you not in bed with me? Why were you not in bed with me?
Your mother asked that I sleep in her hut.
My mother asked. Now let me ask you. Who are you married to? My mother or me? Answer me!
Okay, Maya.
Good. The next time you follow my mother's instruction in this house, I will send you packing. Do you understand? Do you understand me? Now get inside the hut. Now! And as for you, you are leaving this compound at once.
What? You can't possibly send me away by this time. What?
Keep quiet! Keep quiet! You should have thought about that before agreeing to my mother's mad plan. Mama, she's leaving right now. Mama, she's leaving right now! I said she's leaving right now! Mama should stop interfering in my marriage. Please, tell her to keep away or I might lose it.
Akunda, you have to be very strict with her. I mean, you have to be very strict with Mama. That way she would leave your wife alone.
Call Mama to order. What I don't understand is why Oledo connived with her.
Akunda Oledo loves you. Oledo loves you so much that in her desperation just to give you a child, she's willing to do anything. She loves you. And as for conniving with Mama, you should know your mother very well. You should know Mama. Mama must have first time to it. Come on, relax.
But Ola, you're very lucky if I must say, because your husband Akuna really loves you. I don't think you should be worried about that woman.
He does.
Ola, don't you think you should give her what she wants? I mean, like, you should allow her to bring another woman. I know it's not easy, but let her give Akuna a child so that you too, you will not get old while thinking.
I have thought of it. I've even suggested it to Akon, but he wouldn't hear of it.
Are you sure you've insisted that you should do that?
Even if he were to agree, where do I find a maiden in this kingdom that is suitable for my husband?
You're right about that, but don't allow it to bother you, okay? Just take your time. Think about it. We will know the next thing to do, okay? I don't want you to be worrying yourself. Ola, you be good, Biko. I understand how you feel, but just try and be okay. Yeah, come and help me. Don't cry, yeah? Come and help me, okay? Everything will be fine. You know I love you. Ola, my love. Yeah, come and help.
Hey, Okulokalia. Oh, Malichamai. What is it? So, why are you being aggressive?
You are such a wicked woman. You should have told me that you hated me and want to disgrace my family.
No.
Thanks for nothing.
No, I have my own problem too now. My son does not talk to me again. Mama wasn't
You deserve worse. Now listen and listen to me attentively. Don't you ever talk to me again.
Are you talking to me?
You're such a wicked woman. Stupid woman.
Chimpanzee oh, is that why you will see my true color? Not beef.
Hola. No. Thank you. I bought you some food. Hey. I'm here.
Darling. You are so kind.
Don't worry, let me assist you.
Hey.
Thank you. Hola. You're looking so beautiful. I am pregnant. For how long now?
About 3 months.
That says why you're glowing. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Hola, hope you're still taking the herbs Mama gave you.
Is there any need? I have stopped taking them for some time now.
Why, Ola? No. You have to keep taking it. That's the herb Mama gives all the pregnant women in this village. Why will you stop it? You even need it more now.
Okay. I'll take them.
I'm so happy.
Thank you. You're so kind.
Let me take them inside. Okay.
What is it?
So, I think I'm losing the baby.
Stop! Ikem! You're bleeding.
What is the problem? You're in a hurry. Is everything alright?
My wife, I think. My wife is bleeding. Where's your mother?
Go.
How is she?
She lost the baby.
Can I go and see her?
Yes, you can.
Why did you give her that medicine?
Mama, I told you medicine is for...
That medicine is too strong for her. It is the reason for her miscarriage.
I've been having some thoughts since our last discussion.
Which is...
Getting a second wife for my husband.
And have you thought about the right person?
That is the problem. No one comes to mind.
I'm confused. You don't need to be. I think you need someone very respectful, down to earth.
Yes.
More like a sister.
You're right. That's why I said that is the problem. I don't know where to get such a person.
I think I know the person.
You do?
Who? Me?
You. Are you joking?
Ola, I'm not joking. Ola, you're my best friend. I'm your best friend too. We are more like sisters. Don't you think I'm the perfect person to marry your husband? Or you want all these girls to come and marry your husband? No, now. Yes, the problem here is you should look for a way to talk to your husband to make him agree. You know he's very, very stubborn.
Chukwu kelu nwa ezigbo di m ewe n'iwe n'aga m amụlụ gị nwa Chineke kelu nwa nye n'ụmụ nwa ụkọ nwa kọnamụ ya kọnamụ ya kọnamụ. Everyday love love perempe 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 perempe. Everyday love, love, perempe.
Everyday love, love, perempe. Everyday 1 hour, perempe, pay. Eh? Murderer.
Amogimi, who have I killed?
You don't know? You don't know, you asking me. All those children you have been killing to tie my son to your apron string, Abogini. Are they not human beings? So that my son will just be like a dog begging for love for you.
That's an unfair thing to say to me, Mama.
Says who? Is it not wicked of you to refuse my son marrying another wife? Eh? When you know that you're barren.
I am not barren.
You are barren. You know you're barren and that you can't bear him child.
One day, my ancestors will visit me and bless me with children.
Okay.
Until that day, Akum and I remain inseparable. What we have is unconditional love.
Eh? Where did you get that love portion from? We shall see to it. Everyday love, love, perempe. Barren woman. Dile, abumo yo. Which yo?
Obogini kai me, kai manari nya jamadu. Onyi furu nanya, okwanya gebugi chimo. This is wicked. Abugini kai me, kai manari nya jamadu. Onyi furu nanya, okwanya gebugi chimo. Abogini kai me, kai manari nya jamadu. Onyi furu nanya, okwanya gebugi chimo.
I wanted to ask you, have you thought about what we discussed?
I thought you were my friend.
I am going to be very honest with you. I truly don't know how I feel.
Ola, wait. See, let me tell you. Ola, you know you're my friend. And I know that too. And I don't like the way people are mocking you. Your mother-in-law, the villagers, everybody's mocking you. Anytime they mock you, they mock me. You're my sister. We grew up together. And I don't want that. You don't need to think about it. I'm the right person to marry your husband. Because if I marry your husband, I'll be able to protect your interests and my interests too. But if you allow all these riffraffs, that Chikote Ekwana Juna villagers come and marry your husband, they will throw you out of your husband's house. Eh? Is that what you want? Or do you want them to be mocking you? Asawadikage. Eh? Is that what you want? Think about it, Ola. I can't lie to you. And do you think it's everybody that will even do it? I'm even risking my own life to come and do it for you. Eh? Or you think I don't want to marry a simple man and just rest my case? Oh, see, I'm doing this because of the love I have for you. Think about it. Even my mother, if she hears that I want to marry your husband, I don't think I will enter this house again. I have to take all those things because of you.
This world is not our own. What are we fighting for? This world is not our own. What are we fighting for? This world is not our own. What are we fighting for? And you never see my king and you won't know. And you never see my king and you won't know. It would not be more my king where he can.
Mama. Mama, you've not said anything.
About what?
About what I told you now, my friend asked me. What do you think?
That you and your friend have gone mad. That is what I think.
Mama, why will you say that now? I'm only trying to help her, and you know it.
No. I do not agree with you.
Mama, you know how much this means to me, and you have to accept it.
My decision is final.
Ola, are you having second thoughts?
No. I'm sticking to the plan.
So what time should I come?
At dusk. Like we agreed. See you then. Alright.
Mama?
What were you discussing?
Mama, nothing that concerns you.
Let me pour some more for you.
Thank you. Hola.
My husband.
If I didn't know you better, my love, I would say you wanted me drunk.
No. No, my love, not at all. You see, tonight is special.
Yes, and special it is.
Yes.
Because when we come to the dance, we will know who the master is. I love.
Yes, I come. More?
You know I love you.
Yes, I know.
In the entire world, you.
Yes, my love. Let me put the last one. The last one. Just the last one. That's the last. I'm here.
You. What have you made me do? Oledo, what have you done?
I'm sorry.
You and your friend used me like a pawn. You used me like a pawn. Oledo, why? Why?
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, Uncle. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm very desperate. I'm very desperate. I'm so sorry. I just want you to have a child. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please, Uncle. Please, I'm sorry. Please, please, please. I just want you to have a child. That's why I did it. I wanted you to have a child. I'm very sorry. Uncle.
Stay with me. Stay.
Akumi. Please. I just want you to marry Obiageli. Do this one thing for me.
I don't know.
For our love, Akun, please. Just do it for me, please. I beg of you, please. Akun, please. I'm so sorry.
This is your husband's place, no?
Welcome.
Go in and rest, no?
And where do you think you're going? This hut belongs to me and Oledo alone.
Akun.
Stay out of this.
And to think that for the first time, you have started thinking reasonably.
Mama, you wanted another wife. There she is. Now let her share your hut with you.
Go.
Don't you dare take another step.
Let's go there.
Wait. Akun. Mama, let me talk to him.
Eh?
Now!
What?
You're unusually quiet. Forgive me.
You know I'm not the type of person to hide my feelings. What you did last night is unforgivable.
What I did?
Yes. You knew last night was my marriage with Akuna. I should be the one on bed with him and not you.
Obi, you and I know there was nothing I could have done to stop it.
But you weren't supporting me either.
I swear. I tried talking to Akun, but he wouldn't hear of it. Besides, is it not too early for us to start having issues?
I'm sorry. My emotions took the better part of me. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too. Now let's go.
My husband!
Where is everyone?
Ola went to the market. As for Mama, I have no idea.
I'm famished.
Don't worry, the food will be ready once Ola is back. My husband, should I put water for you to have your bath?
No. Don't bother. I'll wait for Oledo. I don't see Obiageli as my wife. I detest her. And cohabiting with her is just a betrayal of my love for Oledo.
But Oledo gives her blessings. I mean, she's in complete support. It's not as though someone forced Obiageli on you.
We all know the laws of this land. When you sleep with a maiden, you must marry her.
Then why sleep with her? Why sleep with her? You shouldn't have slept with her in the first place.
Sincerely, I regret my actions. I wished it never happened.
It's alright. It's fine. Let me go and freshen up.
Anyị ga-ebe n'elu atụkwasị ụkwụ dịka fefo na chi ga-efo n'efu. Anyị ga-ebe n'elu. Dimbam nna Namaka, shake my hand. Agụ nwoke, agụ nne ya. Ọ papa gị mara ihe ahụ imere n'uchichi that day. Ọ gbakwa ebe a. Obiageli is pregnant.
Obi!
Not this your fellow man that you call your wife. Can you do anything like a come and give me a Obiageli? Come and impress me. Anyị ga-ebe no. Atụkwasị ụkwụ dịka chi ga-efo n'efu. You're not happy. Anyị ga-ebe n'elu. atọkwasị ụkwụ dịka chewo chi ga-eho n'eho
My love.
I have told you not to call me that.
What do you want me to call you? You're my husband, the father of my unborn child.
You know my name.
Akum, you know I love you so much. And I would do anything. I'm nothing without you. Please, just love me back. That is all I ask for. Even if you don't love me, because of our unborn child.
Oledo is taking too long at this train. Let me go and check up on her.
Who would have thought that she's the one that is carrying the baby?
Mama, all the love is showers on her. Should have been for me and not her.
I know, but you now believe me. I was telling you that this girl is using love potion on my son, Akonia. Never mind, my dear. I'm going to take care of you. Oh? No, very soon you will have the baby. This your turn. No, and that time we will know who the real wife is. Smile for me now.
Mama, thank you for your concern. Oledo is my best friend. I didn't come here to fight. I came to live in peace, Mama.
Fight or no fight, go there. Go and take what is yours. If she stays on the left, you stay on the right. You stay in front. Go.
No, Mama, I don't want to intrude.
Get up. Go.
The beauty of a woman is her character. Olama, Bezimawanyo. Olama, a good wife. Olama, Ochora Suwochaje.
Akonna.
For you to be her.
Akon, you can do better than this.
I can't stand her.
She is your wife.
I'll think about it.
Okay. Should I call her?
No. Your place is beside me. All the time.
Okude, I thought you were...
Dead. Dead, right? You thought I was dead, so you will give my child to another man?
No. Okude, it's not like that.
You think you could get rid of me by ending my life, eh?
I'm sorry.
You think you could end my life?
It was an accident, Okude.
An accident orchestrated by you, just because I know your secret.
Okude, please. Please, I'm begging you. We can settle this, please.
I will expose you today. I will expose you.
Don't worry, just go to your house. I'll come and see you. Just let me know when you want me to come. Trust me, please.
You will come and see me.
Hey, Okude, don't you trust me again?
You will come to my house.
I'm going to come and see you.
Are you sure?
I'm very serious. Okude, please.
So you will come if I don't see you, eh?
Okude, just come.
If I don't see you.
I'll come.
Was not Okude.
Don't mind that stupid boy. Is he? He came here to disturb me. How are you feeling now?
I'm not feeling well. I don't know what I feel.
Hey, sorry.
Wash your hands.
Thank you. No, come. Join me. Come on. Good. Good. Yes.
You wash my hands.
Okay.
Okay. Come and join us. Why?
I'm dead. Wash your hand. What type of food is this? Eh? Ola, did you pack the whole salt in this village to pack in this soup? Hey, it's too salty now.
I don't understand. The food was alright when I made it. I even tasted it.
It's okay.
There was not a lot of salt in it.
It's okay. My love, it's fine.
What? I can see you're hungry. Don't worry, I'll go and bring the remaining porridge I made for Mama for you, okay? So you can
No,
eat.
no, don't bother. I will eat this.
You should not be eating this, Obin. You shouldn't.
See, let me tell you. It's not that bad. It's okay.
I'm sorry. I really don't know how this happened.
It's okay.
This is so sad. Has she been buried? Mama, what is he doing here?
There's nowhere else for him to stay.
Mama, you should have given him to somebody else to take care of him now.
My mother made me to promise before passing on that I should bring him back. He's going to live with you.
No, Mama, that's not possible. You know it's not possible. I have problems on my own. I'll still come and add this boy to my problems now.
And so what do we do? Because he can't stay here with me.
Mama, Mama, please, let him stay stay with you till I figure out what next to do.
I warned you. Obiageli, I warned you. I am not going to be saddled with your problems. Do you hear me?
Who are you with? Who are you with? Come to me. Woo. How are you?
Fine.
What is your name? Akuna, did you hear him?
Your name is Akuna. You are my namesake.
Yes. So how did you get here? Who is your mother?
Hola, you're back. Akun, welcome. He's my sister's son.
I didn't know you had a sister.
Oh, I meant my mother's sister's son from the neighboring village.
Look at him. He's so handsome.
Ola.
Yes.
I'm sorry I didn't inform you before bringing him to this place.
No. It's fine. I don't mind.
Okay.
He can stay. He can stay for as long as he wants. I like him already. Akum, you don't mind, do you?
It's fine. He can stay.
Oh yes, good.
He can stay.
Thank you.
Look at his face.
How are you now?
I'm fine.
How was your day?
It was fine. I hope you're fine too.
Fine, I'm just resting.
Have you given him something to eat?
I don't even have strength, sir.
Me, I have strength and I have food. I'll give you anything you want.
Alright.
So why were you running? Why were you running, Akuna? Bring your hands here. Bring your hands. Just. Is it cold? It's not cold. You're lying. It's not cold. You have been playing. It's time to bath. It's time to take a bath. Should I boil it? You want it hot or you want it cold?
You see?
How do you want it?
You see, natural instinct of motherhood. I did Nigerian school. But unfortunately, there is nothing in this your own. See your friend Obiageli. One touch. Oba. Oba, go.
Please, I don't want to fight.
Fight? How can you fight? When I'm saying the truth, in a fight, what are you fighting? Eh? How am I even sure that it's not blood of animal that you always rub on yourself and pretend that you have lost a baby?
Mama.
Don't mama me. Leave my son alone. Nabia.
Hola. He seems to be so happy since Akuna came to stay with us.
Yes. I agree. You know, our son would have been the same age as him.
Hola. Let's not dwell in that, okay? Hola.
There's something about him. I'm not sure what it is. that I love him so much.
Ola. Don't worry, there is nothing about him, okay? Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay? Ola. Oya, make my hair. Have you done this one?
It's remaining that one.
Oya, now finish it. I want to look very beautiful. Are you sure you're making my hair?
What are you doing here?
Akum, you don't visit me. You don't invite me. I've missed you, Akum. Our unborn baby miss you too. Please, Akum.
Get out.
I should get
out. I said get out! Now!
What's going on?
Stop trying to force me to sleep with Obiageli.
No.
Stop it!
No. I only went to relieve myself.
Mama, what is it? Oledo is driving me crazy. She's driving me crazy. She's taking away the only man that I love. The only man that means the whole world to me. But I warned you. Obiageli, I warned you. I told you his world revolves around her. I told you this. Mama, I've done everything possible. I've done everything possible for him to notice me. He doesn't even notice me. I'm carrying his baby. He doesn't care about me. He's only Oledo today, Oledo tomorrow. Mama, I'm going crazy. I'm dying now. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Listen, try and find out what he likes from Oledo. Mama, you think I've not done that? You think I've not done that? I've asked Oledo. I feel Oledo is lying to me. There is something she's doing she doesn't want to tell me. Mama, I want you to help me find a powerful native doctor. What?
Welcome.
Akunna! Didn't you see me? Akunna, I'm talking to you, you're there. Look, come here. Bobby, what is it? Let me not see you again. What's the meaning of that?
Will you calm down? He's just a child.
He's just a child. You're the one spoiling him. Stay out of this. Oh yeah, go inside. It's yours.
Obiageli! This is uncalled for. This child was with me. He did not see you coming.
He did not see me. He will not see me. Eh? Do you not take care of a child? Do you know? Stay out of this. I'm warning you now. Oh yeah, go inside first. Oh, sure.
I can't kneel down here.
Kneel down here. Kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. If next time you collect anything from her, I will deal with you. Idiot. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth.
Kill me. Kill me. What is really going on?
This is none of your business. Did you hear me? The way I discipline this boy is none of your business. So mind your business and stay out of this. Let me hear him. I will deal with you today. Come. Don't go. Look at me. Oh yeah, come here. Come here. Ola, I'm warning you. Ola, I'm warning you. Leave this way alone. This is my sister's son. I'm not your son. Stay out of this. I am warning you. Stay out of this. Ola! Obekere, leave this boy now. Obekere, leave this boy alone. Obi, leave this boy now. Leave him. I'm begging you, please. Yes. Mind your business, Ola.
No condition is permanent. No condition is permanent. Away from America, because Baharam, I want to serve me jogging, because Baharam.
Okude, you know I'm a married woman. I can't be seen in a bachelor's house unaccompanied.
See, you have to find a way. You have to find a way now. See, I want to be with you. I want to be with you.
I can't be with you, Okude. I can't be with you. I'm a married woman and you know the consequences.
Okay then, I will expose you. I will expose you in this village, and this time you will not be able to get rid of me. Think about it. In fact, don't think about it. I will do it. Just watch me. Watch me.
Since when did we start living like this? What is really going on with you? If there's something bothering you, you say it. Because this is unusual. What is going on? Shouldn't we carry on as friends and sisters like we always have? I did not expect that you and I will go days without talking to each other. I'm not happy. Are you?
I'm sorry. Sometimes I get cranky. But my mother said it's because of my condition.
Ndo? Talking about conditions. I have news for you.
Good or bad?
Good news, my sister.
How? When? Sorry, I mean, that's wonderful.
Yes, it is.
Hope you're still taking the herbs Mama gave you.
I stopped taking them.
Why? It's very good for your health and for the health of your baby.
No, your mother says I should stop taking them. She says they are too strong for my body to handle.
That's good. I'm happy for you. Ola, you need to start taking care of yourself, okay?
Well, you're right. I'll take things easy. Even Akun says I should not do anything that will stress my body. Yes.
Hey!
So I'll be fine.
Ola.
Yes?
I'm so happy. Can you imagine 2 babies will be giving birth in the same family? And for a man that's been looking for children for how long now?
My sister, it's double joy. The gods are wise in their ways.
I'm happy for you. I've missed you.
I missed you too.
How dare you! How dare you do this to me, Mama?
Obi, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down! Don't you tell me to calm down! You know how much this means to me. For Olido not to get pregnant.
Is it the time you let go?
Never!
Haven't you punished her enough?
Never! Mama, you have to do everything possible for her to lose that pregnancy. You cannot stop the gods from blessing her. I don't care. If Olido doesn't lose that pregnancy, Mama, be rest assured that the whole villagers will know what a wonderful midwife you are. Read my lips, Mama.
You sent for me.
I heard the good news. I'm so happy.
We thank the gods. We pray this one stays.
Why? It's going to stay. Okay? I'm actually going to see my friend. I want you to come to the house when the sun is down. I have prepared a medicine for you to take. Okay?
Thank you, Nne. I will come.
You're welcome.
Go well.
Thank you.
Hello.
I'll come.
How are you feeling?
Strong.
Okay. Let me go to the farm.
Go well.
Thank you.
Ola, what is this you're taking?
My herbs. Your mother says I can start taking them.
That's true. Drink more. Finish it. It's good for you.
I know.
Finish it. I'll bring more for you. Take finish. Thank you. So, Mama, how long will it take?
It will be gradual. We don't want to raise suspicion.
I can't wait. I can't wait for Oledo to lose her pregnancy so that my Akun will have time to concentrate on me and my beautiful baby. So happy. Thank you. Thank you.
Oledo, my friend. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine too.
Do you feel any pain? Are you still taking the herbs Mama gave you? And you don't feel discomfort?
No, I don't feel any strangeness at all. Surprisingly, unlike my previous pregnancies. Except for some pains around my waist. That's the only thing I feel.
My mother said it's a normal thing. Not to worry. I'll go and bring the herbs Mama gave you. I'll give it to you. It's good for you and your baby.
You're so kind.
I'm coming.
Okay. My husband.
Ijagadi. Yeah.
Do not drink any other medicine except I give you myself. Remember, your condition is delicate. Follow my instructions carefully.
Can I keep this? I'll drink it later.
Why not? Keep it. It's all for you. Thank you. Don't worry. I'll ask Mama to prepare another one for me.
It's not much. Thank you.
I'm just waking.
Please go and rest. Why? Where is little Akuna? I have not seen him.
He's sleeping.
Oh.
I'm so weekend long.
Oledo. She's not even cooking. Oledo. Come out. What are you doing there? Sleeping this afternoon. Why?
Akum said I should stay at home.
Akum said you should stay at home while others are in the farm. For what one? Malagini, why?
I am pregnant.
She says she's pregnant. This tummy, empty tummy. In the pregnant, Otua. Let me tell you. You can fool Akuna, my son. And every other person but me. You cannot fool me. This tummy is empty. Afwa, nekiri. Empty, barren. Can ne negi here? Ngwa, uje, take. Farm. Osiso. Pick it. Pick it now. I said pick it. Ngwa, Ude. Come on. Also. As come on. Also. Well, speed.
What are you doing here?
To see my rival. Sorry. Your husband. And his true love.
Okute, what for now? Eh?
To tell them the type of snake they are harboring in their house.
Hey, Okute, please. Eh? Please, just go. I'll come and see you later.
Come what? You think I still talk? I'm not talking anymore. Now it's time for action.
Okute, please, I'm begging you. Just go. Eh? Just go. I'll come and see you. I promise you.
Me go. You come and see me. You won't. Think I don't know you.
Okute, I swear on my mother's head, I'll come and see you. I swear. Let's meet at my mother's place this night.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Are you sure? I just hope it's not one of those your tricks
Okute,
again.
We're going now.
I thought you are my friend.
Mama, huh? I feel very sick. I'm very sick. I want to go to my mother's house.
Yeah. Ndo, can't you wait till morning?
No, Mama. I feel very, very sick. My tummy aches.
Ndo, no. Why didn't you tell your husband? Let me go and call him.
Mama, don't worry. He doesn't care about me. All he cares about is Oledo. Hey. Mama, don't worry yourself.
In that case, let me go with you, no?
Mama, don't worry. Don't worry yourself. You know my mother's house is not far. You know now, it's just down the road. I will go by myself.
Hey. Okay, let me get you Mpanaka. Let me get you Mumu or something.
Mama, I want it. Mama, God. Okute, did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed every bit of it. You are so sweet.
Okute, please, let me be. Okute, I've satisfied you enough. Let me be. I'm begging you, Okute, please.
You have started again. You have started. See, you will see me whenever I wish. I'm not satisfied.
Okute, please. This has to stop.
Please stop
I'm
this.
begging you.
Come. Where are you going to? Can't you see the night is far gone? See, why don't you wait? Stay back. You will leave at first light. Let us just have the whole night for ourselves. Let us.
Mama. Tutu, Mama. Let me help you.
Because we'll couple for him.
Obi. Obiageli. Obiageli. Mama. Obiageli is not inside. Do you know where she is?
While you and your husband were inside doing what I don't know last night. With this pretending to have something inside this your stomach. The real wife of my dear son took ill and was rushed to her mother's place. The one that is going to bear us children.
But why did no one tell me?
Tell you, you that have been tied to this one's apron string.
Akun, please, let's go and see her at once. Let's.
What would you have done, even if you were told?
Mama, just play along. What brought you here early this morning? Please, just play along.
Bobby. Really? My friend. We only just heard he took ill. How do you feel now?
How do you feel?
I feel better this morning. All thanks to Mama. She didn't sleep all through the night. Mama, put it on.
And the baby is alright?
Yes, the baby is fine.
Wait, Akun. Are you only concerned about the baby? What about me?
Well, you look alright to me.
Please. People should start going. I'll come back later.
Mama, thank you for everything. We will take our leave now. My love, let us go.
Okay, let us not finish everything. Mama, thank you for taking care of my friend.
You're welcome.
Okay. See you in
Idiot. Mama, you see what I've been telling you. You see what I've been putting up with.
Asama, my own beautiful lady. Let's go now.
Who is this?
Let's
Ogidi. Ogidi. Why are you here? Why did you grip me? Why did you come? Inayala.
Stop shouting, don't shout.
Are you going mad? Okute.
Don't shout, don't shout, don't shout.
Why did you come here? That's what I asked. Hey! Oh, why are you making this?
Hey, Okute, is it what you people do? Is that what two of you do? Your husband must hear of it. So, Nazunom kuna miali. Mugini. Deka lubalaka ina yala wamfuba. Same gini. Yensi. Hey, Obiageli. Mama. Anyama afuntim. Okute bi ebe obadi. Ya akunna. Okufla She is not going to sleep in my house one more day. Imagine, can you now drunk in the village? They go and you want her to stay in my room? She must leave today.
That's enough.
It's not enough.
That's enough, Mama. I will decide what I want to do with my wife.
What do you?
Please, Mama, don't interfere.
What do you mean by that? Why would I interfere? In my house? Don't let me talk to you. Because you have been tied to. Then sit down. Sit down. You go out from my house.
Mama, it's okay.
It's not okay.
It's okay.
It's not okay.
Come, what are the both of you still doing here? My friend, get away. Go back to your houses. My neighbors are hearing you. You're drinking attention.
Let them hear. Let them hear. Oh.
Mama, bring down your voice now.
Why should I bring out the... You needed to have seen how this girl was holding.
Mama, I don't believe you. I don't believe... Oledo has never
I'm
given us
now a
any
liar.
reason to doubt her in the past. She hasn't done anything for us to doubt her in the past.
Indeed. Because she has also tied you around her apron.
Mama, look at Obiageli. Can Oledo cheat on Akuna?
Don't ask me. Mama, people change.
Bam! People change.
Mama,
have you heard that?
I don't like it. I don't like the way
I don't care whether you like it or not.
It's not fair now. It's not fair. Calling her names and people are now listening. Tomorrow they'll be looking at her as a prostitute.
Let her leave my house.
All I have told you is the truth.
But I'm slightly confused. What was Okute doing there?
I don't know. I honestly do not know. You know I will never cheat on you. I would never, by the gods, I swear. You are my life. You're my world. I would never cheat on you. You have to believe me. She hates me so.
It's okay.
Mama!
Leave me alone!
Mama!
I said leave me alone!
Mama, stop this nonsense! Stop this nonsense!
I will not! She must leave my house!
Mama!
Mama! She must leave!
Mama, please!
Mama,
please!
Oh!
Did my father throw you out at the slightest misunderstanding?
Did I do Akuna in your father's house? Leave this place!
She's not going anywhere.
Mama,
she's not going anywhere.
She's not going anywhere.
She's not going anywhere.
She must go. She must go.
Mama, stop it.
This one lady must go.
Mama, stop this nonsense.
Tell your brother. Akuna.
Mama.
I will beat you. Mama, she must go. She must leave. She must leave.
Mama, please.
She will go. She will leave my house today.
Mama, please. Oledo has not done anything.
Hi! Akuna, allow Mama to go. Let them settle this thing now.
Mama, stop this nonsense!
I will not stop until she leaves. Let her back and go.
She's not going anywhere.
She will go.
She's not going anywhere.
She is going.
She is my wife, and she has a right to stay here.
That your wife will go. All about babe. Mama Gawa.
Mama.
Leave me alone.
Mama, please.
Ha! Naga, you people should leave my wood. Hey! What is wrong with you?
Yes. Thank you. Good.
Akuna, come and eat. Akuna.
What is going on? Did you two quarrel?
No. Please eat.
Explain to me why Oledo's tummy is growing and she's looking healthier day by day. What is going on?
I'm surprised too.
Why do I feel you're lying to me, Mama?
Shut your mouth. How dare you doubt me? Haven't I tried my best to help you in getting married to the love of your life?
Yes, Mama, you have. But my joy is not complete. If Ola gives birth to that child, I will lose Akum forever. Mama, please. You need to help me. You need to help me. Please, Mama. Mama, please.
You set me up. Why?
I did not. I didn't know Ledo would be there.
I find it hard to believe.
Okute, believe me, this is a pure coincidence. Okute, you know I missed you and I want to spend time with you.
I know you well, Obegeli. Nothing happens by chance with you.
Are we going to stand here with the little time I have and be arguing? Or we should go inside and make use of the time?
I thought you were my friend.
Hey! The one more. Hey! 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 The one more.
Mama, what is it?
This girl wants to kill me, oh, Lanjo, and her witches.
Ma, what is it now?
See.
Mama, I don't understand.
You don't understand. Is it me that will understand? Am I the one that did this, Abacha? Is it not you? Bo, Ogiwabie.
Mama, calm down now.
Calm down. She is your friend. Just sweep on Unokwa.
Ola is not like that.
Who says who? Look at it now. And is it not Abacha that she gave me?
Oledo, what happened? Do you hate my mother that much?
Akum, you know I would never do
Hey,
this.
Metro, you will never do that, but you did it.
I'm as confused as you are.
How can you be confused? Is it not obvious? You just gave me and sat down to eat your own. So I started eating because it came from the same pot without knowing that you mixed my own. Mama, let me see. No. It's very obvious.
Please get into your food.
Hey! Chimo!
Mama, it's okay, it's okay.
It's not okay.
It's okay.
Are you okay? It will never be okay until this witch leaves my house. In fact, hey, eat this. Go and eat it. What do you mean? Go on. Amosu. Akwesu. Bula bachata. Bodia na ndi eba watanya. Asiji bodia.
If I put my love more,
Akum, you have to believe me. I would never resort to taking the life of the woman that bore the man I loved. I would never.
We all know that there is no love lost between you two. Perhaps you are trying to hide something Mama has found out about you.
Like what?
That baby. Whose is it?
What? Akum.
I am so devastated. I don't know what to do. I wish my parents were alive. I would have gone to them. What of your relations? You can visit them. Stay there till he calms down. No. I will stay here. I will stay here and fix this. Ola, stop crying. Everything will be fine. Don't worry. I will talk to him on your behalf. Okay? Please.
Obi, prepare me something to eat. And you can move your things into my hut.
Akum.
Where do I stay?
You have a lover, don't you?
fresh air.
By this time of the night.
She's lying. She is lying. Her husband threw her out. Dear Choforia, I want this girl. Oled, I warned you that very soon. Oh, girl. It has expired. Didn't I warn you?
But Mama, it's too cold to leave her out here. Let her come and join you in your hut.
Ashibakwa.
But Mama, you can't leave her outside here in this condition. Watch me. Hey. Ola, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's alright.
Maybe you can join me now. Come to my hut.
No. I don't want to cause problems for you.
It's too dangerous. Okay, okay, let me get you a mat. At least it's much better.
Is the bed not comfortable?
No. But if you join me to be my love.
I need to get some sleep.
Akom, do I irritate you so badly that you find it offensive to make love to me?
I have a lot on my mind.
Then why did you ask me to move my things to your hut? Obi, you know, since we got married, I've not warmed your bed.
Be patient with me, please.
Mama, I'm now his favorite. Hey! Chukwu okike obiama. I'm so happy, Mama.
And did you have a hand in it?
Mbakwa, Mama. Ibiawa. Akam di kwachani kwa vum. Aja adokwa bikukwa.
I hope so for your sake. That the gods are silent does not mean they are blind to our atrocities. The day they remember to strike back, it is always with a fatal blow.
Akuna. Akuna, I know I should not be interfering in your marriage, but I think you should send her back to her people instead of allowing her go through so much pain and misery.
You think I don't see her pain and misery? It's driving me insane. I hurt her.
Akuna, I don't understand you. You love her and yet you cause her so much pains. If this is your definition of love, then love is not as beautiful as you paint it.
I die every time I see pains in her eyes. But Mama cannot be telling lies. And Oledo has always been good.
Akona, the way I see it, it's like you're afraid to take sides. Listen, with the heart we make the right decision. Let your heart decide for you.
Take it. Kill me. Go on.
No, I know you've really gone crazy.
I want you to take this knife and kill me. Akuna. How dare you? How dare you doubt my love for you and your family? How dare you think that I am guilty of what I am accused of? How dare you? Go ahead, take this knife and kill me. I want to die. Take it.
Ola. Oledo. Oledo.
Is this the unconditional love you promised me? Is this? Is it? Akuna. Is it?
Stop.
It's not what you promised. It's not. It's not.
No condition is permanent.
I'm sorry.
No condition is permanent. On you.
It breaks my heart.
I want to see you
I'm sorry.
This one is not about what are we fighting for? This one is not about what are we fighting for? This one is not about what are we fighting for? And you know, see my king and you know. And you know, see my king and you know. Ole don't Ola, ole, duma. Ola, ole, duma. Digi furuginanya. Digi furuginanya. Iwere subujeje.
Obi, you're back. Welcome.
Thank you. Is Mama around?
I think so. I couldn't bought some bushmeat. I kept some for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mama?
Yeah?
Are you okay?
Yes, are you?
I'm fine. Mama, what's going on between those two?
Hey. That's what I have been saying, you know. That's how I saw it. These two, for some time, have been behaving like two lovebirds. As if they have never quarreled before in their lives. I'm telling you.
So, Mama, Akuna closed his eyes to the fact that Oledo tried to kill you.
My daughter. That girl, the charm she is using on my son Akuna is very strong. Oshilike, okajala akaja. Amamebo je gwota. Do you understand? And I am afraid I'm going to lose my son if nothing is done. Oh. Eh? Because that one has sold his soul to the devil.
No, Mama. That can't happen. No, it can't happen.
I don't know what
not now that I'll start building a relationship with Akuna. It won't happen. Not in this house.
Eh? Come now. Is there anything? Piano one. Hey.
She can do anything for you to be happy. All amor.
Abby. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
The way you ran out of Mama's hut just now, I thought something was wrong.
All I wanted to ease myself. Plus, my tummy has been pinning me, so...
Oh.
That's why I said to come here to...
Sorry. You feel better?
Yeah, I feel better.
Meanwhile, I have good news. Akon and I have settled.
Hey, that's wonderful, my friend. I'm happy you two are back now. You know I tried talking to him, but you know your husband now. He wouldn't listen to me.
I know what you mean. Akon can be very stubborn. But everything is fine now.
So we can sleep now?
Yes.
We can sleep and eat very well in this house. Hey, I'm happy for you, my friend.
Thank you for being so supportive through it all. You're such a true friend.
No, don't thank me.
Come, let's get you to sit down.
Okay.
Why? Hey, let us go. Huh? Are you sure you can go?
Mama, will try. Let's go. I wish I knew the trick to lure him to my bed. Maybe he will see me the way he's seen Ola.
Well, this is what you should learn yourself.
Trying my best, Mama.
Try harder.
Abi, I want to speak with you.
Okute, are you blind? Ikulisi? Can't you see I'm going somewhere with my mother?
Very well then. I better say what I want to say here.
No, Mama, excuse me. Let me have a word with Okute. Okute, what is it? What do you want?
You have stopped coming to see me.
Okute, I'm a married woman now. Please, let me be.
See, you better look for time to come and see me, or the heavens will break loose. I've told you my own.
So the rumor about you and Okute is true?
What rumor, Mama?
That you're sleeping with him.
Please, can we go? I'll pack my things back to Mama's hut.
No. There is no need for that. You can share the hut with Oledo. I'll sleep in Okori Pass Hut. Good night. My love, good night.
Good night. I'll dream of you.
Thoughts of you will be with me till daybreak.
What did you do all of a sudden? He hardly spoke to you a few days back. What magic do you use? Tell me.
There is no magic. It's all love.
My friend. Tell me the secret. Tell me now.
There is no secret. What Akum and I share is unconditional love.
Amazing.
Indeed. We complete each other.
Are you okay? I heard you talking in your dream.
Sorry, that means I woke in though.
Let me ease myself.
I think I should too.
I am warning you for the last time. Leave my daughter alone. She's a married woman. Leave her to concentrate in her marriage. I will not warn you again, Okute.
Kiru. Can't you see she is unhappy? Eh? In fact, I asked her to marry me when I discovered she's pregnant for me.
What? Hey! You mean?
Yes. That baby in her womb is mine. But she wants to give it to that idiot. And I won't allow that to happen. I won't!
How? I'm finished. How? So you had no intention of telling me, your mother, that Okute is responsible for your pregnancy?
Mama, where did you get this information from?
Okute told me himself. How could you carry another man's child to another?
Mama, they needed a child and I'm pregnant.
Ogege, you're trading on fire.
I know what I'm doing.
No, you don't. What makes you think Okute will keep quiet about it?
Forget him. I know how to take care of him.
Yes. By warming his bed.
Mama, why are you making this thing sound so dirty?
Isn't it? No wonder Akuna refuses to see you as his wife, because you're dirty inside.
Stop it, Mama, stop it! Mama, please, I did not come here to fight. I came because you asked me to come. Please, let's end this.
No, you end it yourself. Return what you stole from Aledo and beg for her forgiveness.
Never. Mama, is this the reason you called me? I have no such time. Excuse me. Easy, my baby. My baby. Oh, Okude, take it easy now.
It's okay. Is it not my baby too? You know, it's not that you're pregnant that you need it very, very well. So that my baby will come out very strong. Just keep quiet. Don't shout.
Okude, you want to kill me. Okude, see, Okude, remember everything you promised me. Oh.
Don't worry, don't worry. As long as you continue to keep all your promises like this, I will always do as you say.
Just help me kidnap her. Leave the rest for me.
No problem. You don't have problem.
Okude.
Always keep your promise. Oh.
I promise. I promise. My waist. Mama,
who are you there with? Come outside! I said come outside!
Mama, you're back. Welcome.
To love what they do. Can we all start afresh? Please. She's pregnant and she needs our support. Please, Mama.
Mama, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Let's start afresh. Please.
Mama.
You will not use my house to entertain your stupid lovers. I forbid you!
Mama, please. I'm begging you. I want to be happy today. As you see me now, I'm so happy. So allow me to enjoy myself.
Oh, really? Let me warn you. If you touch one single hair from Holidays' body, I swear I will report you. Because I heard everything. your plans to kidnap her.
I dare you, Mama. Try it. I will tell the whole villagers your little secret. Remember, we used to be in this together.
Please, Obiageli, let Oledo be. Haven't you hurt her enough?
Hot? Mama, hot. Hot is small compared to the plans I have for her.
I saw Mama Obiageli put something in grandmother's food.
What?
I saw Mama Obiageli put the pin in grandmother's food. And so she did it too.
Are you sure? Come, we have to go home now.
No, she said if I talk, she will cut off my tongue.
She said that?
Oledo! Ola!
Obi! No.
Thank
your
you.
mother?
She's fine. Ola, where is everybody?
They went out.
Okay. Mama says she wants to see you. That is very, very important.
Why?
I don't know. I think it's because of your pregnancy.
Oh. Now?
Now. Okay, Lola. Agadi. Mama, welcome.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you going? Mama wants to see Oledo. It's very, very important. Oh, one.
Why are we following this way? Ola, this route is closer. Do you know this route leads to your house?
It does, my sister.
Oledo, Ola! Oledo!
What is the problem?
Where is she? Mama, where is she?
She went out with her friend Obiageli to her house. So I don't know what they went to do.
Mama, I just found out that it was Obiageli Okute came to see the day you met him with Oledo.
Are you sure?
And she was responsible for the thorn in your food.
How are you sure? Was it not Oledo that prepared the food and brought it for me here?
You see, I've been saying it, Mama. I've been saying it that Oledo is innocent of the accusations. But you tell me to keep quiet that she has charmed me. I don't know what I'm saying. How did you get to know about it, Akuna?
How did you know?
This is Akuna, and she threatened to cut off his tongue if he says anything.
Akuna, is it true? Hey!
Mama, I am going to confront that two-faced lying woman now!
What of Akuna?
Come with him, come with him!
You kill somebody, you kill somebody, you kill somebody! You will kill somebody, Raya!
Obiageli! Where is Obiageli?
Any problem by in-law?
Who is your in-law? Who is your in-law? Don't you ever utter such word again. Tell that viper you have as a daughter to come out here right now.
Whatever it is, I know she's been very bad. We'll sort things out.
Where is she?
She's not here.
Hey, you lie! You lie! You're lying! You this woman, Isha! Your daughter told me that you wanted to see Oledo. Hey! God of our sisters! She's going to kill her.
Who?
Kill who? Oledo. Oledo is in danger. You people should find her. Eh? Hey!
You better start talking now.
Hey!
Tell me everything!
Talk now!
How was it?
I've tied her to the apple tree.
Hey, beautiful. Thank you.
But we should have taken her into the bush. I don't feel comfortable with her tied there. It's very close to my house.
No, don't worry. Nobody will know she's there.
Yes. Are you sure?
Yes, nobody. Thank you. Thank you.
So, don't you think I deserve some reward? Why don't we just go inside there?
Okay, let's go.
Bastard! Never you dine with a tigress with your eyes closed. Idiot. You think you can come between me and Akuna? Never! Not even my mother. Idiot! Bastard! Die! Help me! Somebody please help me! Is anybody here? Please help! Help me! Help me! Help! 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 Oh, Hobby! The gods be praised. Come, my friend. Come on, untie me very quickly before he comes back for me. Come, please.
Oledo, you're so naive. You're very, very naive. I planned it all. I brought you here. You're going nowhere. You did? Yes, I did. You still don't know. I brought you here to kill you. To kill you! Idiot. Stupid Oledo.
You're going to kill me?
Yes.
Why? What did I ever do to you, Abigail?
What did you do to me? You did everything to me. Think!
Sheba! Look at this witch, oh! See this witch? Huh? So, you have been conniving with your daughter to kill all my grandchildren. Murderer!
Murderer!
Help! Help! Help!
Murderer!
I stopped. You stopped! You stopped! You stopped! What? Papa!
has Oledo done to her? What has she done to her?
What has she done to you?
She wants your love. And Oledo has been standing in her way.
Look,
please.
Wait. Where did they say they've taken her to?
Talk. People should find Okute. Okute should know. Find Okute.
Let's
go, Mama. Give me.
Let's go.
Yana. Equence. Find Okute. Find Okute.
Let's go fast. Come on.
Please. We're friends. Remember. Sisters.
So you know we are friends and sisters. Which sister ever takes her sister's man away from her?
I took.
Yes. You took Akum, the only man I ever loved.
Akuna chose me.
You lie! I saw him first. I introduced you.
Begeli. Obiageli. Eh? What are we doing here?
Ola, be patient. Wait. Hey, you will soon see.
See what, Kwan?
Wait now. Hey, you will soon pass here. Hey, very soon.
Who?
Here.
I can't go.
Hey, Obia. Hey, Obia. Ola. I told you.
Good evening, Maid.
Evening. Good evening. Evening. Hey, Ola. He said good evening to us. Oh my God, Ola, I'm fainting. I'm going to faint. I've been dreaming because of our hand. Thank you. Thank you so much. He's handsome, so cute. I wish I could have him.
We praise the gods for the good weather.
Yes.
It was really nice to see you today. I hope I get to see more of you. So,
go well. You scared me. What's Akuna doing here?
He came to help me at the farm.
Akuna came to help you?
Yes.
I'm surprised.
I am too.
I see. So, are you done?
Yes, I am. So, you're coming to see me.
Oledo, you lied to me. You lied to me.
I didn't. I swear I did not know that he was following me to the farm. I was surprised to see him there.
But you knew I was in love with him.
And you did not object when I told you he proposed.
Obegeli, come. Eh? Is everything all right?
Yes. I have good news.
What's the good news?
I'm getting married.
You're getting married? Good for you. Thank you. To who?
Akuna.
Akuna?
Yes!
Oh, that's good. I'm happy for you. Hey, it's coming as a surprise, but...
I know.
I'm happy for you.
He said that he and his people will come to see my parents next market day.
It's just by the corner.
Yes, I know!
Hola, you have to start getting ready.
I know.
I will wear my best. Oh God. Hola, I'm so happy for you.
I'm happy for me too.
Mama will hear this.
You know now, that's my best friend. I said to tell you first. Before every other person.
You did the right thing, Hola. You did it right. I'm happy for you. I'm very, very happy for you.
Thank you, my friend. I did not cut Akuna behind your back.
From that day, all the love that I have for you died. You killed me, Oledo. You killed me, you wicked traitor. You stole my love away from me.
I'm sorry. Please. I am very sorry. You just let me go, please.
Well, you've been paying for every pain you caused me. And I'll be glad to kill you and get back my Akum.
Okute! 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 Where's my wife? Where's my wife? Where's Oledo?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Too late. Too late.
Too late for what? Where is she?
Go down to water.
Where is she?
By the agua tree. Go down by the agua tree.
Go there by the agua tree.
Of this pregnancy is mine. What?
Hola! Hola! It should be here. Okute couldn't have been lying. Those were the words of a dying man. Hola! Oledo!
Oh, yeah. I think there's one we do play under when we were kids.
Where?
Over there, over there.
I remember.
Where are you taking the baby to? Mama, I've explained everything to you. But she's aware she gave birth to a live baby. Mama, only that I know will not remember anything. In that state she is. Don't worry, I'll see you later. Okay? Take this baby away. I'll see you later. Don't let anybody see this baby. Take it away. Take it away.
Am I wrong?
I'll see you. I'll come to your house. Are you sure? I'll come to your house.
No. No.
Kiruka, you are very wicked. So you have been holding my grandson hostage for 4 good years. Omandelegema, Afotalegemi. 4 years, 4 years. And I have been hating the mother, thinking that she gave birth to a dead baby. You told me the baby died. Can you hear me, Kiruka? Odiroma, what kind of mother are you? You should have been showing your daughter the right way. Instead of misleading her or conniving with her. And Kiruka, my ancestors will visit you. My chi will deal with you. My chi will visit you.
I am very sorry.
Sorry. Sorry is not enough. Sorry is not enough, Ogiru. See what you did to my family. See what you did to my son and to my daughter-in-law. Kiruka, see what you did to my whole family. I know Bakele. Every day of her life. Thinking she couldn't make any baby. Now, deep is in her flush in one day and a half. Kiru can be because Kiru, pray. Pray that nothing happens to Oledo. Pray that nothing happens to Oledo. Otherwise, you are going to see the other side of me. Leave me alone. Wicked woman, witch.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm
sorry.
Forgive me. Sorry.
Forgive me.
Sorry is not good enough. Sorry is not good enough. Imagine, see me, this woman. She's a witch. You are a witch.
Say your last prayer before I kill you.
Obi, please, I beg you, please.
Last prayer.
Uncle, please. Uncle, please save me.
What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here. No, you're not supposed to be here. Don't go in. Don't go in. I'll kill her.
No. Please.
You Akuna. You're very wicked. I loved you, Akuna. I saw you first, but no, I'm not good for you. It's Oledo. I'll kill her.
I like you.
Yes, he likes you.
Do you like Oledo? She likes me. Can I say it's like I like? Do you like Oledo? I'm going to kill her. You brought out the best in me. I will show you. I'll kill her.
Please,
My baby! Ola, help me!
Let's go.
Ola, my baby!
No, let us go. Let's go.
Ola,
She just tried to kill you now.
No. I'm really very sorry for every wrong I did to you. Biko, no, my own wife. No, sorry. Oh,
it's all right, Mama. It's all right.
Oh.
See, in spite of everything, your love still prevailed.
Indeed.
Indeed, your love is magical.
I told you, our love was unconditional and unbreakable.
It's truly unconditional. But to think that girl made a fool of all of us, especially me, Bumamun. Mama,
she fooled us all.
No, she made a fool of me. Nah, we are going to cook for everybody in the house, no? You eat. Nah.
But Mama, you know I've been telling you that all ladies, she's an innocent kid.
Yes.
She's been innocent all this. Mama.
No matter the ups and downs, you are my love. You are my love.
are you still doing this to yourself? I've told you to stop crying. Stop crying. The deed has been done already. You have lost your baby. You have lost everything. What you have to do now is to go to Oledo and ask for her forgiveness. I am sure she will forgive you.
Mama, where do I start from? Oledo is my best friend. My sister. Mama, I don't know where to start from.
We will go to her. We'll go to Oledo. You will beg her for her forgiveness. She will surely forgive you.
Mama, what face? What face will I use? How will I start? Oh, Mama. Mama, I lost everything. I lost my baby. I've lost my friend, my sister.
Who am I not to forgive you? I have forgiven you, Begeli. You are my only child. I'm forgiving you. I'm forgiving you. Let me get you something. Come in.
I can see. Look at me. I can see. What is that? Look at me, Obi. I can see. Look at me. I can see. You can see. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm begging. Look at me. You can see me. I can see. You can see me. You can see me, your mother. You can see your mother. You can see your mother. You can see me.
Money, baby, fur. Couple madonna, baby, fur. Couple John Meter, oh, Janania. Oh, Janania. Mama became when he went. If I book my love.